How to fix Facebook live comments problem. So if you want to fix your Facebook live comments problem, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Check if you have a stable internet connection or not. And if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you just need to simply have it. Just switch to your mobile data or switch to your Wi-Fi. Or you can just turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is check if your app is up to date. So just go with your Play Store and go with search, and here you need to simply search for Facebook. Once you've searched for Facebook, just go with update if you have any updates under your Facebook. Even if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your Facebook application. Go with the app info, tap on force stop and then tap on OK, and again reopen your Facebook application and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply open up your Facebook, go with the upper right which has that 3-bar icon, tap on log out and log out of your account, and after that again log in back after a few minutes and your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing you can do is just tap and hold on to that Facebook, go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. That's it. Now you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Facebook live comments. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.